Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your WhatsApp login issue on a new phone. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is ensure that the SIM card is active inside the new phone and capable of receiving SMS. If it is not, simply try to take out and reinsert your SIM card on your mobile device. The second thing you want to do is check permissions. So simply go ahead and open your settings, scroll all the way down to apps, and then scroll all the way down again straight to WhatsApp and tap on that. Make sure all these permissions are allowed, especially the contact one right over here, which should go ahead and let you call or talk to the people that were on your account previously. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.